Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. If you're already a subscriber, consider subscribing to this channel because better videos like this one are coming. If you have any concern about this video, kindly drop your comments under the comment section. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back once again. Okay, so we're looking or wondering to get foreign numbers like US or Canada number or even numbers of other countries. Then of course this video is for you. So stay tuned and watch right till the end because there will be features you shouldn't have to miss. And yes, I will be giving out free bonus tip to maximize your credits. So without wasting much time, let's get right into this strategy right now. Okay, so first just launch your Google Play Store. So after that, just search for this keyword Digtone, and the Digtone is spelled Digtone. So this is how the app looks like. Unlimited testing calling app. So just click on open after installing. Their terms and conditions will pop up. Just agree it after reading their terms and conditions. Okay, so click on get started. Agree and allow all features which pop-ups. Okay, so for this section they will ask for your phone number or email. I prefer to use phone number. Sorry, let me click on it again. Okay, so just enter in your phone number, or if you prefer your email, just click on email. After that, just click on next and click on OK. They will send you a verification code to your SIM, so make sure the SIM is active. And you can see mine is in. So just copy and paste or just write in the search box. Okay, so for this page, just enter in your phone, your name, your username, and just click on continue and agree. Okay, so we have created our account successfully. Okay, so to get your number, just click on my number. Click on add my number and click on allow. So if you like France or US, just click on next and just click on random to get a random number. Okay, so you can just pay for it and get your number, or just work hard and get credits to get your number for 1 year. They have monthly package also, and they have 1 year which is 1,200 credits. Okay, so let's go back and see how to get some credits. Just click on offers and click on OK. Click on sign in. So click on check it now. You can see boom, we get 2 credits successfully. So every day you can come and check and claim your 2 credits every day. So you can invite your friends to get credits. Every friend you invite brings you 100 credits. Yes. Okay, so you can complete tasks to get credits, offers and other stuffs. So let's click on one. So it will direct you to your default web browser and just complete the offer or the task. So after completing, they will add the credit to your balance. Okay, so you can, to call someone, just go to contact and call the person you want to call. Okay, so to get your number, as earlier I said, just go to my number and just click on random to get a random number and just pay for it for premium package, for monthly package and for yearly package. Okay, so that's how it works and that's how you can get foreign numbers in African countries. Okay, so to purchase some credit, just click on get free credits. Okay, so you can see you can complete tasks to get credits. So it says earn 1,000 credits by completing offers. So you can purchase your credits. So just click on purchase. Have you see they are doing promotions, so they come down from 250 cedis to 95 cedis. So you can purchase it now to get your US number or numbers of other countries. So this is how to get foreign numbers in Africa. And if you find this video useful, please kindly click on the like button and just share this video to Facebook and other social media. Thank you for watching my video. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. Thank you.